Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. This is Felisa, your host for today's video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my fall/autumn must-haves. I'm going to share with you some must-haves that I think you should have for the fall. Now, this is my opinion, and my opinion is not written in stone. This is the fall must-haves homebody style, okay? Glam girl style, okay? Okay, loves, now that I've gotten all the logistics out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into sharing with you the decor pieces that I think are must-haves for the 2022 fall home decor season. Okay, loves, so the first decor item that comes to mind when I decorate for fall is a throw blanket. A throw blanket, no matter what color, makes me feel warm. It makes me think of coziness. And you can throw your blanket on the couch, you can throw it on a chair, you can arrange your blanket in a basket with some pillows. You can do so much with your blanket. You can have a plain color blanket. You can have a colored blanket. You can have a blanket with leaves on it or pumpkins or anything that you want on your blanket. The next item that comes to my mind, and the easiest way to change up your space for fall, is throw pillows. Throw pillows give me that same warmth and coziness that my throw blankets give. You can use plain throw pillows. You can use pillows with patterns in, as you see. This particular pillow here that I'm just putting down right now has a gold beaded pumpkin embroidered inside of the pillow. And then you can combine your throws and your pillows, and you can just cozy up on your couch or your chair in fall. So I'm going to go ahead and let you see me finish putting out my throws and my pillows, and then we're going to move on to the next homebody fall essential item. Okay, love, so the next fall essential must have are pumpkins. Pumpkins is a must have for the fall. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you need to have pumpkins all over your home or in every corner of your home, but pumpkins give you that fall feel. You know, you can have glass pumpkins, velvet pumpkins, wooden pumpkins, paper pumpkins. You can have all sorts of pumpkins. You can have pumpkins on your throws, on your pillows. You can have wall art pumpkins. You can have pumpkins in your drapes. Whatever you see fit, the pumpkins is a must-have for fall. The next item that I think is a must-have for fall are candles. Candles give your home a beautiful glow. It makes your home feel cool in a fall evening. You feel just warm. I feel so warm when I light a candle. And also, oh my goodness, the fall scents. The candles smell so good for the fall. You know, you have that pumpkin pie and all the different scents for the fall season. You just can't go wrong with getting that fall feel with candles. So the next decor item that I'm going to talk about is nothing other than florals. You can have faux flowers. You can have some real flowers sitting out in a vase. There's different types of flowers that come out. But some of the fall or autumn season flowers that you may see this time of year are mums, hydrangeas, which is what I have in that vase you see there, pansies, and of course sunflowers. And by all means, you know me, you can use any type of flower any time of the year. I will take a lily or a tulip and use it for fall, and it will be beautiful. Okay, love. So the next item that I feel is essential for fall is an owl. You can have one owl, two owls, three owls, however many you want to have. You don't even have to use owls, but I have it in my fall decor space at the moment, and I'm loving how it makes my face feel alive. It gives your space life for the fall season. Okay, love. So there's several other fall essential items that I did not share in this video. Items such as lanterns, area rugs. You can use hay in your vases or in decorated bows. You can use corn sculptures. There's several other items. You can get some wood sticks and you can spray paint them silver. You can spray paint them gold. You can actually get sticks out of your yard. You're not necessarily don't have to go out and buy everything. You can shop around your home to get your home that warm, cozy feel for the fall. So I hope that everyone enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.